Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily manage the auto sleep on your CHiQ L32. So first go over to all settings. Now here scroll down until you guys see system. Now go to power and energy and now go to power. Now here you will have the auto sleep option. You guys can change it to never, 4 hours, 6 hours or 8 hours. So it's all up to you. I always use it as never, even though I know that it has a much higher energy consumption. But I think it's the best, so it's all up to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, subscription and a comment. Bye.